Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. I really appreciate your support. So today I'm actually going to be giving you guys something that you have all been waiting for so long. It's been probably my most asked question on YouTube, and that is, can you please give us your trading journal? So today I'm going to be giving you the download link below. You'll be able to download it. The link will be down in the description, so have a look there, click on it, and you'll be able to download it. So in this video today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving you guys a quick breakdown of how to actually use the trading journal to make sure that once you've downloaded it, you can actually maximize from it to its full potential. I hope you guys really find the journal useful, because it's what I've spent a lot of time modifying, correcting, and making it the best that I possibly can to ensure that it helps me pass the FTMO challenge, and also to make sure that I'm successful week on week whilst I'm trading on my real funded account. So all I ask for in return is a quick like and subscribe. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to quickly jump on the computer and run through how to use the journal. So let's get into the journal now. So once you've opened up the trading log, the first thing that you'll see here is this page. The first section that you want to focus on is the date section. So just put in the trading week, the start date of the week and the finish date of the week. The next section that I'm going to talk about is the place where you actually start inputting all of your trades. So over here, I just put the open date of the trade and the time that I took the trade. And then once I've closed the trade, I'll also update this with the close date and time that I've closed the trade for. The next section is symbols, so just write what currency pair you're trading: GBP, Euro USD, if it's a cross bear, CAD JPY, GBP AUD, etc. Or anything else that you're really trading. The next section is action, and what that means is, are you buying the pair, are you selling it? Just place that there in this section. The next one is lots. So how many lots did you actually place on this trade? Over here, just input your stop loss price. So if you have placed a stop loss on your trade, just input it here so that you know you've placed a stop loss on that trade. And over here, just put the price in which you opened the trade at and the price you closed it at. Once you've then done this, just calculate how many pips you were able to catch in that trade. This for me is probably really important, as I look at pips quite closely to monitor my success week on. And net profit, you want to calculate how much did you actually gain from this trade in monetary value. So was it $80, $20, $500, whatever it may be, just put that amount in this section. And the next section is duration. How long did you actually hold this trade for? Was it 4 hours, 5 hours, 15 minutes, 30 seconds if you're a scalper? Put in how long you actually held this trade for in the duration section. And in the gain section, you want to put how much did you gain percentage-wise from this trade. So in the evaluation section, you just want to evaluate why you took this trade, what reason did you have to justify it, and what compliments did you actually use to take this trade. Obviously, it does look a bit blank right now, but obviously it really depends on how much you're trading. And once you start populating your data throughout the week, it will start looking better and you'll start being able to really benefit from it, hopefully. So the next section below where you put all of your trades, you just want to have a look at your overall for the week. So calculate how much did you gain percentage-wise for the week, how much did you lose, and what was your overall, obviously taking away your loss from your gain. You also want to calculate how many positive pips did you catch, how many negatives did you catch, how many pips did you have overall, and what was your positive to negative percentage. In this section, what you want to do is just put the amount of winning trades that you had for the week, the amount of losing trades, the overall number of trades that you took, and the overall strike rate. So in this evaluation section, what you want to do is use this as essentially a diary to start digesting and understanding your trades. Start thinking about why you had possibly some of your biggest losses. Overall, was the week positive? Was it one of your most successful weeks? Was it negative? What was your trading psychology throughout the week? Were you revenge trading a lot? Were you trying to make up for your losses that you had in the previous week? Did you have something going on in your personal life that was possibly affecting you? Try and think about all the possible factors that may have affected your trading psychology positively and also negatively for that week. And what you can do is go back and start creating a log of this and start evaluating when you had a good week and what factors affected that good week. And if you had a negative week, what factors affected that week essentially. And then what you can start doing is have a better understanding of what makes you a better trader. The next section that you guys want to have a look at here is trading plan for your week or for FTMO. So over here, the first thing that I've got is risk parameters. So risk parameters are essentially how much do you want to risk per trade, percentage-wise, money-wise. You really want to highlight how much you're going to risk overall for the week as well, how much you want to risk per pips on a single trade or a specific type of trade. So go deeply into risk per week and then go break it down into how much you want to risk per day or how much you want to risk per trade. So look at the bigger picture first and then drill down to the smaller aspects of your trading plan. Reward parameters. So have a look at how much do you actually want to overall gain for the week. So have a goal in mind. How many pips do you want to catch in that week? How much percentage growth do you want to have for the week? How much do you want to actually make sure, oh, you know what? Minimum, I want 5% on one trade, or minimum, I want 1% on one trade. Whatever it may be, highlight it in this reward parameters so that you know before you even started the week of trading, you know what you're going to be closing your trades off at in that reward parameters section. So trade management parameters. So what you want to focus on here is, are you going to set your stop loss and take profit straight away? Are you going to manage it throughout? Are you going to have a trailing stop loss? Are you going to move your stop loss to break even? Think about this before you start the week and how you really want to manage that trade. So in this compliments section, what you want to put here is what you use to indicate when a trade is ready to be taken. Are you taking it based on RSI, Fibonacci, stochastics, EMAs, SMAs, whatever it may be? Put it in this section. Is it based on support and resistance? Is it based on break retest? What hour time frames are you looking at? Put this all in your compliments section here. Symbols to trade. This is probably the most important for me because I really plan out ahead which symbols, which currency pairs I'm going to be trading for the week ahead based on my analysis and which ones I believe are going to have the most market movement for the week ahead. So before I start trading that week, I'll do my analysis and put in this section all the currency pairs that I want to be focusing on for that week. And in the cross pairs section, just put your cross pairs again that you want to be focusing on. In this next section, you have analysis time cap and input time for trades. The reason that they're two different sections is because I want to evaluate and see how much time am I actually putting into my analysis. So if you're doing your analysis on the weekend, calculate how many hours you put in, and then if you're doing more analysis throughout the week, at the end of each day, for example, to reevaluate the markets, calculate those hours to see how much time have you actually inputted to actually doing analysis in the markets. In the input time for trades, why I focus on this is because I want to actually see how much time have I actually taken to input those trades, and then what I can do is combine this and actually see how much have I made overall for the week and how much time have I actually put in overall for the week. And overall, what has my input to output been and has it been productive? So in the next section we have here personal plan. What you want to put here is anything that may affect your trading due to your personal life or even work. So do you have a meeting at a specific time? Are you working at a specific time? Do you need to go out somewhere with your family? Do you have specific times that you go gym, that you're not going to be looking at the markets? Anything personal that's going to affect your trading, put this here so that you know what's going on for the week ahead. And in this last section here, I've got the setup evaluation. So what I do is I just put my best and worst trades for the week in this section so that I can reflect on it, go back and have a look at my overall gain for the week. I can visually see as well what happened to that trade. Where did I enter? Where did I close it off at? I find this really important because I can look back at this and start building a journal of some of my best trades, hopefully for the year. But what I can also do with this is use this information next month to have a look at how I traded, how the market moved, to help me indicate what I'm going to be doing for the week ahead or the month ahead to plan. This tracker won't be anything without data. Data is the most important thing. So what you want to do is start inputting and collecting all of your trades and information on here, because that's when you'll be able to benefit the most from it. As you guys will probably see in some of my videos, this is actually how I then go a step further and start calculating my input time, my output time, how much I actually got out from trading, and what my hourly return from trading has been per week, depending on how much I put in overall. You can also then use this information to take it a step further to measure it against how much are you earning at your full-time job, and how much are you earning from trading per hour, and what's giving you more. If you increase your input time, how much will you be able to get out? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you enjoy using the tracker. Let me know how you find it in the comments below. Drop me a message on Instagram as well once you have started using it. And give this video a quick thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.